Hey there, and welcome back to the Money Making Pals channel. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most exciting opportunities available right now, using ChatGPT in 2024 to make money online. Whether you're a complete beginner or already know a bit about ChatGPT, by the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap to turn AI into cash. If you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell icon so you don't miss any of our future videos. Please stay until the end, as I always save the best for last. Make sure to subscribe to the channel so you never miss any ideas on how to generate income online. All right, let's get started. So, what is ChatGPT and why is everyone talking about it? ChatGPT, developed by OpenAI, is an advanced AI model that can understand and generate human-like text. It has become even more powerful in 2024 with enhanced features, better understanding, and a more natural conversation style. It's not just a chatbot, it's a powerful tool that can perform various tasks, such as content creation, customer service, tutoring, consulting, and more. But to truly unlock its potential, you need to understand how to use it effectively. Today, we'll explore 8 different ways you can leverage ChatGPT to make money online. From freelancing to affiliate marketing and everything in between, I've got you covered. First up, let's talk about freelance writing and content creation. This is one of the easiest ways to start making money with ChatGPT. With millions of websites, blogs, and social media pages constantly needing fresh content, there is a massive demand for writers. And guess what? ChatGPT can help you deliver high-quality content fast. Here's how you can do it. Find clients. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer are fantastic places to start. Create a profile that showcases your writing skills and mentions your ability to generate quality content quickly with AI assistance. The key is to be honest. Highlight that you use AI tools like ChatGPT to enhance productivity and ensure quality. Generate content. When you get a job, use ChatGPT to brainstorm ideas, create outlines, or even write full articles. For instance, if a client needs a blog post about the best marketing strategies in 2024, you can ask ChatGPT to give you an outline. You can then expand on each point or use the generated content as a base to add your unique touch. Editing and personalization. This step is crucial. While ChatGPT can generate content, it's up to you to fine-tune and personalize it to match the client's tone and style. Make sure to proofread, adjust the flow, and ensure it's plagiarism-free. Many freelancers are already making between $20 to $100 per article, depending on the length and quality. If you can do even one article a day with the help of ChatGPT, that's a nice side income. Next, let's look at social media management. If you're a social media enthusiast, this might just be your golden ticket. Businesses are always looking for creative ways to engage with their audience on platforms like Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. This is where ChatGPT comes in. Here's the step-by-step process. Client outreach. Start by reaching out to small businesses, influencers, or brands that may need help managing their social media. Highlight your skills in content creation, engagement strategies, and of course, AI-driven productivity. Content creation. Use ChatGPT to generate engaging social media content, from captions to full posts. For example, you can ask ChatGPT to create a week's worth of Instagram posts for a fitness brand. It can provide captions, hashtags, and even image ideas. Cut to screen, ChatGPT generating multiple social media post ideas and hashtags. Scheduling tools. Leverage scheduling tools like Hootsuite or Buffer to automate posting. Combine this with ChatGPT's power, and you have a streamlined process that allows you to manage multiple clients with ease. Analytics and adaptation. Track engagement metrics and refine your strategy based on what works best. With ChatGPT, you can easily A/B test different types of content to see what resonates the most. Social media managers can earn anywhere from $300 to $1,500 per month per client, depending on the workload and level of engagement needed. With ChatGPT helping you create content, the workload becomes much more manageable, and you can handle more clients. Now let's talk about ebooks. Ebooks are a great way to generate passive income. And no, you don't need to be a best-selling author to make money. In 2024, more people are using AI to help them write and publish ebooks quickly. Here's how to get started. Choosing a niche. Pick a niche that you're interested in or one that is currently trending. It could be anything from self-help to digital marketing or even a short fictional story. Use ChatGPT to brainstorm ideas and topics. Content generation. Once you have a topic, use ChatGPT to create an outline. Then, break down the chapters and ask ChatGPT to provide content for each. Remember, you still need to add your personal insights or expertise to make it unique and valuable. Editing and design. After generating the content, use editing tools like Grammarly to polish it. Then, use design tools like Canva to create a professional-looking cover and layout. Publishing. Platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, KDP, and Gumroad make it easy to publish your ebook. Set a price point and promote it through your network, social media, or paid ads. Many people are earning between $500 and $5,000 per month from ebook sales, especially when they tap into the right niche and market their book effectively. The key is consistency and quality. Do you have a passion for teaching? Then online tutoring and educational content might be the perfect way to use ChatGPT to make money. The demand for online education has skyrocketed, and AI can help you create valuable learning materials. Here's how to use ChatGPT in this space. Identify a subject or skill. Whether it's math, language learning, digital marketing, or even cooking, choose a subject that you are knowledgeable about. Course material creation. Use ChatGPT to help outline and generate course content, from lesson plans to quizzes. You can even create scripts for educational videos or webinars. Platforms for tutoring. Websites like Teachable, Skillshare, and Udemy allow you to upload and sell your courses. You can also consider tutoring live on platforms like Chegg Tutors or VIP Kid. Marketing your course. Leverage social media, email marketing, and even partnerships to promote your course. Use ChatGPT to help generate marketing copy, email sequences, and promotional content. Online tutors and course creators can earn anywhere from $500 to $10,000 per month, depending on their niche and marketing efforts. With AI reducing the time spent on content creation, you can focus more on teaching and student engagement. Moving on to one of the most popular online money-making methods, affiliate marketing and blogging. If you have a knack for writing and a passion for a particular niche, you can turn your blog into a passive income machine with the help of ChatGPT. Here's the step-by-step process. Choose your niche. Identify a niche that has a dedicated audience and affiliate products that convert well, like health, finance, tech, or lifestyle. Content strategy and creation. Use ChatGPT to brainstorm blog post ideas, generate outlines, and even write drafts. For example, a blog post titled Top 10 Gadgets to Look Out For in 2024 can be drafted in minutes. Cut to screen. A blog draft generated by ChatGPT with embedded affiliate links. SEO optimization. ChatGPT can also help you with SEO by suggesting keywords, meta descriptions, and headline ideas that are more likely to rank on Google. Monetization through affiliate links. Once your content is ready, strategically place affiliate links within your posts. Sign up for affiliate programs on Amazon, ClickBank, or other affiliate networks relevant to your niche. Traffic generation. Promote your blog through social media, guest posting, or email marketing. The more traffic you drive, the higher your chances of earning from affiliate sales. Affiliate marketers can earn anywhere from a few $100s to several $1,000s per month, depending on their traffic and conversion rates. With ChatGPT handling much of the content creation, you can focus on scaling your efforts. Let's now talk about chatbot development and customization. Businesses are increasingly looking to automate customer service and sales processes, and chatbots powered by AI, like ChatGPT, are in high demand. Here's how you can get started. Learn the basics of chatbot integration. Start by learning how to integrate ChatGPT with popular platforms like Facebook Messenger, WhatsApp, or even websites. You don't need to be a coding expert. There are many tools and no-code platforms that make this process easy. Offer customization services. Businesses often need personalized chatbot responses that match their brand's tone. Use ChatGPT to customize responses, create conversational flows, and enhance customer interaction. Market your services. Create a portfolio showcasing your chatbot projects and reach out to potential clients through platforms like LinkedIn, Upwork, or Fiverr. Maintenance and upselling. Once you've built a chatbot, offer ongoing maintenance services and upsell additional features like advanced analytics, lead generation, or integration with other software. Developers and chatbot specialists can charge anywhere from $500 to $5,000 per project. With ChatGPT handling the conversational design, you can focus more on customization and integration. Finally, let's look at virtual assistants and customer support. If you're great at managing tasks and communication, you can use ChatGPT to assist you in providing top-notch virtual assistant services. Here's how to get started. Identify services to offer. Decide on the services you want to provide, such as managing emails, scheduling appointments, customer support, or data entry. Automate responses. Use ChatGPT to draft email templates, customer support responses, and handle routine inquiries. This allows you to manage more clients or tasks without being overwhelmed. Cut to screen, a virtual assistant using ChatGPT to handle multiple client tasks efficiently. Promote your services. Platforms like Belay, Time, etc., and Boldly are great places to find clients. You can also create a LinkedIn profile showcasing your expertise in AI-driven virtual assistants. Build trust and upsell. Provide exceptional service to build trust and upsell additional services such as social media management, content creation, or lead generation, all powered by ChatGPT. Virtual assistants can earn anywhere from $15 to $50 per hour, and using AI can help you work smarter, not harder. There you have it. 8 incredible ways to make money online using ChatGPT in 2024. From freelancing and blogging to ebooks and virtual assistants, the possibilities are endless. The key is to get started, keep learning, and leverage AI to enhance your productivity and creativity. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell icon to stay updated with more content like this. Also, let us know in the comments which method you're most excited to try. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.